Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and welcome to 2025. This is my first sit down video in 2025 and I know honestly if anybody would have cut my hair this short like a couple of years back, मैं murder कर देती उनका. But I mean, I'm kind of liking it. So, new year, new me. I am so super excited. I spent an entire month in Dubai and of course I did a little bit nahi, काफी ज़्यादा damage and I have a bunch of new makeup that I got from SHEGLAM and I have roamed around Dubai so much and of course when you are out and about in the sun swimming like the way that I was in Dubai, I got really tan and my skin was looking super dull and no amount of makeup can enhance dull skin. So I think first and foremost it's important to address your skin concerns and for that I discovered this Dermaco 15% vitamin C intense brightening ampule. Honestly, I just saw it on Nykaa and I wanted to try it.
These come in a super unique packaging. This skin brightening kit features 7 fresh mix ampules, each sealed in small vials to ensure maximum efficacy and stability. So how I like using it is I twist and pull the bottom seal, then push this part upwards, shake it well, break the ampule, attach the applicator which is given with the kit, which results in a fresh mix in the most purest form, and apply a few drops of this onto my freshly cleansed face. Since they are freshly mixed, there is no chance of oxidation. This revolutionary ampule serum backed by science is supercharged with the purest and the most potent form of vitamin C and L-ascorbic acid. I got glowing, brighter skin in just 7 days because this formula is safe, effective and designed by dermatologists. Also, the Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with the Bhumi Foundation. Plus, all of Dermaco products are fragrance-free.
Because it has such a unique packaging, I basically wanted something where I knew I wanted faster results and I wanted to try something which was a little more potent in terms of its concentration. That's why I wanted to give this bad boy a go. So yeah, I have been using this in my AM and PM because the little ampule you can use it, you can use one for day and night. And I am so happy with the results. I feel like my skin is finally coming back to its original normal self and I am so happy with the results. I will leave a link to this in the description box, so definitely check it out because this definitely works. Coming to all the makeup that I got, starting off with this SHEGLAM primer. This is the Good Grip Hydrating Primer. This is sort of the dupe for the Milk Hydrating Primer. And because now the weather is also a lot more drier, because in the winters it does get dry. And I have oily, acne-prone skin, so मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि dryness is not something that I will have to deal with. But no, girl, when I was in Dubai, my skin was feeling so dry. I was lathering up that moisturizer, and when I used this under my makeup, it gave me the most gorgeous finish. I'm wearing this today as well. This I'm kind of like color coded and this is absolutely amazing. This also has AHA, which is great for oily skin, and if you can get your hands on this, definitely give it a go because you are definitely going to love it. Now, next up is the SHEGLAM Full Coverage Foundation Balm. Now, as you can see, this one I have loved and used quite a bit. I actually got it in the shade Saddle, but this is thoda sa dark for me. This is definitely a shade like 2-3 shades darker than my skin tone, but the formulation of this foundation is brilliant. I definitely know that I'm going to mix it in with a lighter foundation that I have in my vanity and use this because I can't waste this beautiful formula. Also, if you are in a humid place, like Mumbai is very, very humid and in Dubai it can get really dry, this gives, I don't know what magic they have in this. Like it works, it worked beautifully for me when I was in Dubai and it works beautifully for me when I am in Mumbai as well. I just wish I'd got the better color, but I know for sure that next time I go to Dubai, I am definitely going to pick up this in my shade because brilliant, girl. SHEGLAM, you did this right. Next up, we have the SHEGLAM Brow Section Angled Brush and Dip. This is such a cool product. I love the packaging of this. Honestly, I got it for the packaging. This has a very, very unique brush and it gives the most hair-like strokes to your eyebrows. I struggle a lot with eyebrows. I am definitely not one of those girls who is like perfect in doing her eyebrows. I barely get by to fill out my eyebrows, and I do like a very light fill. And I feel for someone like me who can never make my eyebrows even look like cousin sisters, this is a great product, because I always look at makeup artists that give that fluttery, like fluffy look, and I can just barely just like little bit fill in my eyebrows with like powder. So I am very excited for this one, and I have used this also, and I am definitely impressed. Next up, we have the SHEGLAM Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. Now I have it in the shade Toasted Almond. I have been wanting this for such a long time. Oh my god, I've seen at a point this was all that I could see on my Instagram explore page. This is what the under eye setting powder looks like, and honestly you can see how bright and beautiful and well set my under eyes look. This is like absolutely beautiful. The formula of this, the fact that it sits so beautifully underneath the eyes, and this is the powder that you use all over your face. I use the loose powder very sparingly. I don't use a lot of that, but my go-to is definitely the setting powder that we have on top, and I feel carrying something like this even when I'm traveling and stuff like that is such a great thing, because I don't have to carry two different powders. I just have this and I'm sorted, and this is absolutely brown skin friendly. Next up, we have lip products, and I have been a lip gloss hoarder lately. I don't even understand how and why. I just know that this is, every time I see a new lip gloss, I'm just like, come to mama, add to cart. Yes, I want some. I just don't know what is up with me. So yeah, I got these three. The first up is this SHEGLAM Pout Perfect Shine Lip Plumper. This is sort of that 3-in-1 product. It has high shine, it is a lip balm, it is nourishing, and it is glossy. So this is something that is always in my purse, because this is great to touch up with. I don't have to carry like a separate product for touch up. Like I don't have to carry a separate lipstick and then a lip gloss. I feel like once I'm done, I just carry this in my bag, and I absolutely plan on getting more of these. They are absolutely amazing. Love this. Wow. Next up is the SHEGLAM Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil. This is what it looks like, and honestly, I mean, who am I kidding? I got this for the packaging. Let's just be real, okay? I got this for the packaging. It is so cute. I think I'm going to be 60 and still buying stuff because it looked cute. I don't know. I'm just a girl. This is that really beautiful sort of a lip gloss. I love the applicator on this. It is that fat sort of doe foot applicator which really like gives you the juicy effect. And as a lip gloss, it has these beautiful pink shimmer particles in it. I don't think this, like on my bare lips, will look good because I have pigmented two-tone lips. But underneath a light wash of even like a lip tint or a nice lipstick, this is going to look brilliant, and like, he's so cute. He's so cute. Love it. Last but definitely not the least, this is the SHEGLAM Mirror Kiss High Shine Lipstick in the shade Own Your Shine. Oh my god. Again, this is the best lip topper that I have in my vanity, hands down. This is absolutely amazing. This as a lip topper, it looks so beautiful, makes your lips look shiny AF. Honestly, the first time I saw it, like when I saw pictures and everything of it on Instagram, I was just like, I don't think it will suit, my skin tone, tan brown skin tones. I don't think it will suit. But then when I actually started wearing it, I'm like, I can't put it down. I really cannot put it down. It is so beautiful and juicy. Love it. This is a good one. If you can get your hands on it, add to cart. So yeah, that is everything that I got from SHEGLAM. I am very excited to try new makeup, and especially if it is like viral makeup, I am so excited to try it. I also actually got a lot of stuff from Temu. Let me know if you guys want a haul for that. I mean, मैंने बहुत चीजें ली है, so उसका ही 2 part का haul बन जाएगा because too much I have got from there. But if you're interested, let me know in the comments, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.